us what we need to learn today.
Thank you so much. Luwin Radio Tuju, Mate Waro, and Maloni, Nyak Luwani Yet Alfred. I'm a senior economist, a coffeepreneur, and a businessman. Paul Carabini choice kan. I want to appreciate management me and I think what I a very good program today about how culture influences development. Paul down Pengeo distinguishing between development and then growth.
Okay.
There's economic growth and then economic development. Those are all two different things.
Okay.
Economic growth is about quantity. Now, duonge nyoka wa kai te dek ka dek duonga dek ye no iti amirne. But with economic development, now quality and then quantity. Duonge ke bene. Now, so tiene what nano how culture influences and quality ke duonge ke bere ni don lobo. Chi amera awajni when you talk about culture we have religious culture and then what you traditional cultures. Religious cultures what you church traditions mugu tie ma they follow. We have the Catholic ways of worship, we have the Buddhists, we have the Christians and many others, the Islam. All those are our culture. Madong Jomane Lubuchal Tekwaroge. We have the Jews, the Judea following. Ke mame wa eni magankanya wa watiki actually Lao, West African. So those cultures influences kita wa perceiving career development in an area. And it determines whether kabedeno be done, you will be done. And so today we are here to talk about that. In economics, humanity will want ordinarily square method, OLS method. OLS method is it one economy is me transforming negative variable into positive variable.
Okay.
Ka watiki variable me down level maybe watiki percent me you outcome tie percent negative 2%, me fu tie negative 1, percent me kwan tie negative 5. Gen tim maraj furi no pia futi on the negative side. So what you can method ma ilwone OLS wallahu maraj yo manote negative yo was square ngai wi wa doubling kinano yo. The negative 1 wa made negative 1 mukane come so that it becomes positive 1. That negative 2 we carry square me 2 here double positive. We know what take transforming generate to become positive. So in the same way, matches culture influences down lobo in a negative way, but it can be transformed to become a positive way. Amira kwonki la bolene. It's a common economic madong tiu fonyo wakilote na gankwan. It was introduced by the king of Bhutan. The king of Bhutan kilwone Jigme Wangchuk. Those are Asian countries. King of Bhutan wayini umior donke ao ki measuring dans lobo. Measuring dans lobo. Economic growth and development. Mano what you gonna kilwone gross domestic product. Gross domestic product yani jamme mano lobo money. Tika yubune. Kaka door lo du made gi wang aggregates nani kachel in terms of China, in terms of physical Germany wang kachel ki value na ka kelo wang ene ki woni gross domestic product ene an walonyo pa lobo money o madno jame pa madano tikere ki lobo ene wang ki jeme magamenta tikere jin mo kan mangato mo tikere ki lobo ene no ka taro wang kachel value na ene ki woni gross domestic product ene an wa domestic yana tie within. So anyway, mi donc okay tiki gross domestic product my one economics was shortening ni GDP. Ni mi okay donc chet ki ti gena ki woni gross national national happiness. Nana wa. Madong ti ki yom twin mi measuring kalobo tika down. La wo they have released la wo ka jomo ba na CNN the world economies, they have released economic index, good releasing, low madong yigi yom loy with lobani. The top 100, I think the top 50 low madong yigi yom loy. One of the happiest countries, ke we lobani. And now Finland number 1.
Okay.
Yeah? And I think African countries, most of them get better here. Mostly by the Western country, Europe, and then Jomi Genakuja. Yeah, African countries are now better here. So, manurni one you payum. So, king anoni, mau be ruote, why no mere ki gross domestic product, me pimu, kita dana yigi yom kere. Ma statistic nela wo, iram Google ni no the 2026 happiness index by countries. Chigi be nano lisa na machela nga ye yom lo. Ma Finland deserves it because Finland office kiteni ka unuti office kiteni ni ka ene. Nge dakika para bi when you breaking down or out to go and drink a cup of coffee.
Okay.
You go and kai tea you don't 15 minutes, you go and break out 5 minutes coffee break. Then I do a medical tea like that during the day. So here on the down very yom ni yan. To be very pere. So why ni donc okay ginon ki tea gross national happiness. Ma gross national happiness ene ana why you ni segmenting yom twin padano tie about 3 categories. Me a chill ano luoni not far happiness. Me a rio ano luoni nearer happiness. Then mono why ni deep happiness. Why deep happiness is followed by nearer happiness and then far happiness. And I know na ma chok ma no down ma yigi tue and put you can know sadness. Why ni far happiness. So how he discovered Guinea? Tell the best approach. Me determining yom twin your happiness. They again every year get him gonna cultural festival. Kita wano team the baganya choli cultural festival. Chiking no bien ye. Chiking nano kita dano yigi yom kere. Ka dano bien ma poli cultural festival and studying gonna behaviors. In economics alone behaviors economics. Nano behaviors kadano nano yotkom kadano me dano ma pol tika chergan kwan nano dano ma pol welfare your well-being kadano ma polo improving because of just being in a happy state in any way. Chiu nano any jo magento deep happy yotkom geti ma be welfare geti ma be rotina ke beti kwan na be then jo matila dear money be inoti kumano so he related ni there's relationship between happiness and then well-being padano your welfare padano. Because Gina down team will open a wing. Yes. Which brings development. Yes. Okay. In any way. So basically, NOT uni, what you measuring development. Let us what you gonna get gross national happiness. Okay. So whereby he talked about those aspects. My anyway, we should move beyond the gross domestic product because gross domestic product nano gonna get quantitative aspect. You don't ka gimona kikan. But ignore qualitative aspect, which is Genma determining development. And he came and he said, okay, Kawatika Nano don't using gross domestic happiness to determine down lobo. Variable man okay, anyway, we are going to look at Miachel, the food supply in Dano, Miario, Unano, Dano, D, Machera Riat for nominal healthcare products. Unano dana D mekwan the level mekwan education unano poverty level ki unano the level of economic activities employment madano tiye so jame one when ano determine it determines happiness so kada happiness madano la mal is an indication of economic growth and development also is pushing that is how the culture of the Bhutan kingdom influence economic development. So when I begin with that illustration to help us know, to help us see how culture can influence development in Africa. As of now, by the topic material, African cultures are the most diverse, the most rich, and the most widely anticipated, widely practiced up to date kiwi lobony. Kayini penyo, there's something when I was being discipled, they have been teaching me about Gilmona Gilwani, the worldview. Worldview to help you in evangelism. When you are doing evangelism to an American, when you are doing it to Arab nation. So there's that thing they've been teaching me about worldview. Worldview anyway, it is manifesting in terms of cultures. Kay penyo an American. Or you just ask black American, that what is your culture? To be putting it, our culture is hip hop, literally, they don't know. They don't have a culture.
Yeah.
Kay penyo the whole of American, the whites, what is your culture? Their culture are not there because without a culture. So in return, well, their process of growth was successful because there is no pooling of cultures. Dans le monde que miaro carto maybe a church in your cathedral more a pa kuja. In a pa we have actually we have a marimo kanati kono. Now all those are two different cultures. Jo marino when I want pomero church kan actually no go yeo. At the end it will delay development, it will suppress development. Two, kay nano look me in terms of land management. When I was doing my degree, I did something called poverty reduction and land reform. If you go to Google, you Google research done by Yet Alfred about poverty reduction and land reform. I centered it even in Amur district. So, one of the variables which you can an analysis of that, the relation between jam variable it was culture. In another way. Which you have seen it, it has been evident. Projects mapol, you know it ye kichwalogi bought down way in kwar. So it disturbs the use of land. It interrupt the use of the efficiency how they use with land and its natural resources in it in any way. So at the end it suppresses economic growth, and when economic growth is suppressed, economic development will also be suppressed. You see that? So, two, another aspect is that we have seen how culture can be used on the side of tourism. On the side of tourism. If someone is to package, I want to start a museum of actually traditional dance. Where from Monday to Monday, 24/7, no katika mielo, all kwa miel pachuli or tuju. You can sell that to the world. You can sell it in the internet. You can sell it into your marketing trend. Someone Google I want to learn about actually culture. Yeah. Then that museum come on top. Someone comes and spend money there, dollars there, and they know he's employing someone. That person is paid salary. Dog can get it out. Oh, get it out. The government no revenue from that. Revenue earning you can make it you. That already is development. Yeah. That's another way our culture can be used to bring in development. So, I'm introducing this topic. We have the negative variable of it, which can be transformed into the positive variable of it. That is how African nations, African economies need to start understanding how to use their cultural practices to bring about desired development.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, Lawin Radio. Mana your first introduction. And we are